Welcome back to Business Help. In this episode, we're going to be covering SmartArt here. So SmartArt can help make PowerPoints look a lot nicer, a lot more professional here. So we're going to start by showing you where you either find SmartArt. So one, you can find it in a tab here. It's going to be, you can insert a SmartArt graphic here. You can get to that. I'm going to show you the other way here first. You can go to Insert, SmartArt. So we're going to be inserting, we'll start with just a list. Go with that one. So when your list pop up, you can type your text in right here. So we're going to go over SmartArt. We're just going to type that in over here. Then we are going to go ahead and just type, what is SmartArt? You can type whatever you want into these. They're very helpful in organizing lists of data, stuff like that. They'll make it big, make it stand out in a presentation. Right, how to use it and what can it do? All right, so we got that done, so we're exit out right there. So now we're going to go up here. We're going to look at all the different options we have. We can choose all these as of now. And so when you want, if you want to make something go up or down, so you can, so the SmartArt graphic, you go up here, top left-hand corner here, I'm going to click there, and I can move it down. So now it's going to drop down. You can easily move it up, and then also you can move it right back up using that button. If I also wanted to do this, I can promote it, and I can go over to the left side here, or I demote it, it's going to go back to there. And I can also change if it's going left to right or right to left. So I have this button right here, it can choose that graphic over there. Another thing I can do is I can change the layout. Maybe I don't like how that one works, so I want to use this one. Let's click there, and I can also redo all those for that. But here's the best way I figured out how to use SmartArt to make it look nice and fit your theme. Well, first off, you want to select a theme, so I'm going to go over here and select the one I always use here. So now there's that. And it also pops up with design ideas over what I can do with that SmartArt. So I'm not going to use that as of now. I'm going to go back to SmartArt Design. And I'm going to click that one. That's what I'm going to use for this slide. You can also use SmartArt with already having a list. So I already have a list right here. You're just going to highlight it, right click, there we go. Convert to SmartArt. We're just going to convert this one into a, right there. So now I can change this around. A lot of things. It helps make PowerPoint look a lot nicer. I'm just going to use the design ideas to see what it wants to do with this. No, design ideas for this. Go back and change the. Oh, once again, you can move it. You move that one down, switch it there, move it there, and you can also add bullets to these. Where it would, now I can use some bullet out to the right, so you can include your basic one and then also a new one. So that is most of what SmartArt's all about there. And if you have any more questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll make sure to answer them. And like always, if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe. And there's many other videos out there about PowerPoint and other things I have, so make sure you check those out.